Good morning, grade 4s. Goeiemôre, graad 4. This little slideshow is just to go over the work we did today about my kop en gesig, my head and my face. You can go through the slide in case you missed something or you weren't sure, and you'll be able to correct any of the mistakes you made and just check that you've got everything that you need to know. The first thing we did today was we looked at the woordeskat, which is the vocabulary, that's the words that you need to know for my kop en gesig. Okay, you needed to fill in the words, the English words like I did in the red here, next to the Afrikaans words. I'll just go through it with you quickly. Kop is head. Hare is hair. Voorkop is forehead. Oog is eye, and then oë is eyes. You can try and remember that because it's got two little eyes on top of the E. Okay, it looks like the E is looking at you. Okay, so that's the plural for eye. It's oë. Okay, eyes. Neus is nose. A wang is a cheek. Sproete is freckles. And on the next side, we've got oor, that is an ear. And ore is the plural for ear, that's ears. Mond is mouth. Lippe is lips. Tande is teeth. Tong is tongue. Ken is chin. And wenkbrauw is an eyebrow. The next thing we did today is we labeled this picture of the girl's head and face with the words that we just learned in our vocabulary, in our woordeskat. And you'll see there, in case you made a mistake, you can double check yourself. On the one side, we start with hare, which is hair. Then the next one underneath that is pointing to her voorkop, which is her forehead. Then the oor, remember the oor is the ear. Wang is her cheek. And the last one, ken, is her chin. On the other side, it's pointing sort of to the top of her head, and it's pointing to her kop, or her head. The next one underneath is pointing to her eyebrow, that is a wenkbrauw. The next one is pointing to her eye. Remember, an eye is oog. So the oog is the eye, and the oor is the ear. Okay? The next one is pointing to her neus, her nose. And the last one is pointing to her mouth, or her mond. And then your work for today that you have to do in between your lessons, or when you finish the lesson with me, is you had to teken 'n prent van jou gesig. You have to draw a picture on this page, page 2, of your face. So I want to see your color eyes, your color hair, what you look like on this picture, please. All right, enjoy that. And if you have any questions, please just send a message to your teacher.